Welcome to Bible Kids Room for fun Bible stories, songs, and lessons for kids.
Today we are learning about kind words.
Words can be a castle tall, or make you crumble, make it fall. Choose the bricks that shine like gold. Kind words are treasures to behold. Please and thank you, magic keys. Open hearts like blooming trees. Sorry smooths a bumpy way. Kind words make a brighter day. Your voice is like a little song. Sing it sweet, it won't go wrong. A simple smile, a gentle tone can make a friend feel less alone. What if words could hug the air, sprinkle joy just everywhere? Would you use them every day to keep the clouds and tears away? Please and thank you, magic keys. Open hearts like blooming trees. Sorry smooths a bumpy way. Kind words make a brighter day.
Being kind and speaking kind words is like shining a light. It makes others happy and makes the world a brighter place.
Hope you had fun. Thanks for watching.
Remember to like and subscribe. See you next time.